Today I'm going to show you how to make some Peppermint Crunch hot cocoa bombs. So what I did is I like to start with my mold, cut up individual pieces. That's totally optional, but I find it easier to handle this way. Then we're going to take our white candy melts and we're going to put them into a microwave safe bowl. What you'll want to do is microwave them at 30-second intervals until they are nice and smooth and creamy. Then what I'm going to do is add this Peppermint Crunch candy in it. It's little pieces of candy cane crushed up, but you buy it in the jar ready to go. Then I'm going to spoon it into my hot cocoa bomb mold and use the back of a spoon to get it all over. You can see me using the back of the mold and my fingers to kind of pop out any air bubbles. This will make sure that you have a really smooth shell with no holes in it. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to smooth it out again. You want to make sure that your bomb has a nice thick rim on the edge. Once the chocolate has set, we're going to pop them out of our molds here. You'll need cupcake liners for when you decorate. It holds them in place nicely. Then what we're going to do is heat a microwave safe plate in the microwave for 1 minute. And what we're going to do is put the rims down on this plate to smooth out all the edges. This way, when you put the two spheres together, it'll stick easier because it'll have a nice straight edge to adhere to. Then I'm filling them with a tablespoon of white cocoa. I'm going to put in some of those peppermint candies, and I'm going to put in these fun little marshmallow bits. Then what you're going to do is smooth the top rim out and apply it to the bottom one. Next, you're going to take a decorating bag. This is most commonly used for frosting, but we're going to put some of our white chips in there. You could also do any other color you want. If you wanted to give it a little bit different look, you could do red. But we're going to put this right in the microwave for 30 seconds, squish it up, do another 30 seconds until it's ready to go. Now I'm going to get my sprinkles ready. I have this fun holiday sprinkle mix with 5 different ones, and I really love these two that both have red in it, so I'm going to use both of those today. Our candy melts in our bag are ready to go, so I'm just going to get all that down to the bottom. Use a scissor to cut the tip off, and then I am just going to squeeze it out evenly and go back and forth over the top to create some nice lines. I'm going to put some sprinkles on and a couple more of those little Peppermint Crunch candies. So here I did the second one, a little more sprinkles, different color this time, and then the Peppermint Crunch again. And now I have 3 fun hot cocoa bombs full of peppermint goodness. So let's watch this melt. I'm going to put my hot cocoa bomb in my favorite Crafts Direct mug, and then I'm going to pour warm milk over the top. And you'll see the marshmallows come out up to the top, and it's just perfect. We also have these fun peppermint candy spoons, so I am going to give it a stir. My milk's turning a little pink. Super pretty. The kids will love this, and they make amazing gifts.